Hey guys, today we're gonna do a hard drive replacement on this laptop. This is my Samsung Notebook 7 Spin. It's a model 740U. It has 1 terabyte hard drive, but I noticed that the hard drive, I think the hard drive is going bad. I hear the sounds, it's slow. I did all the shebang, like, cleaning up the files. I didn't reinstall the Windows, but everything kind of points that the hard drive is going bad. And worst of all, it only has like 8 or 16 megabyte cache, which is really small for that size of hard drive. Anyway, I got this hard drive. I bought it at Micro Center. You can buy it anywhere. It was selling price was $49.99. I got it like a deal on it, so it's like $50 with taxes and everything. So it's 1 terabyte hard drive. But what I like about this model is, I don't know if it says here. Let's check it out. This one's supposed to come with 128 megabyte cache, which is awesome. Alright, so the way I'm gonna do this replacement, I'm gonna open up this one, and then I'm gonna use this Easy Dock 3 to basically copy one drive to another. It has a cool feature where if you pop in one hard drive and the other hard drive, and you press the clone button here on the back, it's going to copy all the data, bit per bit, to this one here. And it works with both 2.5 inches hard drive and 3.5 inches hard drive. So if you put in a bigger hard drive, this thing just slots down, and that's about it. Alright, let's get on with it. First of all, I'm just gonna take out all the screws from this guy here. I think it only has these 10 screws here, and that's about it. So I'm just gonna get get a screwdriver. Let's see, this is the right size. I don't think so, it's too big. Let's see, something smaller. This one maybe? It looks like the right size. Alright, let's take this guy out. And let's get started with taking out the screws. So now that I got that out of the way, most of the laptops are have those clips that hold them in place. So this one's no different, I suppose. So I'm just gonna use some of the prying tools I got to set it free. Okay, this guy, and this guy. Alright, well, just they're pretty banged up, but they should work. Alright, okay, I'm gonna start here because I see there's like a little, okay, alright, kind of opened and closed on me. Okay, I don't want to force it too much, but okay. Alright, just gonna wedge this one in as well. Alright, whoa. Okay, that seems like it's opening. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. So this side as well. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, so this is the first time I opened this laptop, so it's gonna be fun for me and you at the same time. Wow. Okay, nothing there. Right, so here is the hard drive itself. I'm gonna be removing that. So, okay, let's see what internals are. So this is where the RAM is, probably. Yeah. I like how it's stored inside the part of the cage, so you know there's no interference. This is the battery. There are two speakers, and this is a fan. CPU and graphics chips are underneath, and this is underneath here. There's a M.2 slot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the hard drive out of this. So first of all, I think I'm going to disconnect it. Yep. Spread this in. Okay. Very fine cable. Just going to make sure it didn't damage it. Alright, so I'm just gonna take out the hard drive cradle. Stick it out. I don't get it, actually. Okay. Alright, so 4 more screws, as the hard drive is attached to the cradle itself. Alright, no worries. Alright. Okay, let's take it out of the cradle. I'll just leave it here. Alright, close this off. Away. Alright, so this hard drive is gonna go into the bay 1, and they have like handy little arrows to point from which way it's gonna be copied. I'm just gonna drop that one there. Then I'm gonna open up this one. Looks cool. Hopefully it performs better than the old one. Alright, so I'm gonna drop it in bay 2. I'm gonna connect the power supply. I'm gonna power it on, and then I'm gonna hit this clone button on the back. Alright, so I don't know how long will it take to copy all the data, probably an hour, maybe even more so. So I'll just start the process. So here there are indicators what it's at. So when it starts cloning, this first LED starts blinking. When it's at 50%, this one blinks, and then this one turns solid when it's completed. So I'm just gonna press this button, and hopefully everything will work fine. And nothing's happening. Should I hold it? Okay, yeah, you should hold it. Alright, so right now I'm gonna leave it be. It's gonna do its own thing. It's gonna copy, and I'll come back and test it out. I'm gonna put this one here and see how it works. Okay guys, so the copying of the hard drive is done. Both lights are, all the lights are solid, so that means the process was done, hopefully successful. So at this point we're gonna continue, just reassembling the computer back, laptop back to its original form. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn off everything. Alright, and then I'm gonna take a new hard drive. Alright, and then we're gonna put it here. Let's see if this goes, yep, it goes like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the hard drive screws back in. Alright, now we're gonna connect back the hard drive. Alright, put it back to original position. Alright, and now we can use these short screws we had from before to put it back in place. Easy peasy. Okay. Alright, let's turn it around and hopefully everything works the way it's supposed to. Okay, got the Samsung logo and some other stuff here on the screen. That's the dust from the keyboard. Alright, let's see. Definitely better. Second run is better, I think. Okay. Alright, well that works at least. Yeah. I'm just gonna turn it off. Close it down. Is it off? There was supposed to be LED here. I think it is. Alright. Oh. I'm gonna close it up. Turn it around. Nice and gently. Okay. So we can put back the shell. Just put it in place and then I'll go around the edge and just press it down until you hear the click on all the joints. So that means that it's nicely secure. Okay, I think we're good on that. Let's open it now that it's closed and boot up, see how it looks. Alright. Yeah, it looks like it boots faster. Wow, yeah, for sure. Looks way better. Awesome. Just needed a little time to like get everything in order, but that's about it. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. I'll do some more upgrades on this one, especially I'm gonna add M.2 SSD and see how it performs then. But this is way better experience than the last than it was with the old hard drive, where it took me like a couple minutes to boot, and it was really loud. So I think that's it. Yep. Okay guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.